Excuse me, sir?
Yes.
What are you doing here today?
I'm just waiting at the bus stop.
This isn't a bus stop.
I usually come here every day, and you know, the bus driver, when he gets here, he lets me know he's here, and I get on.
What were you doing before you got here?
Just coming home. Just coming from home at breakfast.
And where are you going?
I'm going to a friend's house.
And what do you intend to do at that friend's house?
Well, what we normally do, we just chill, relax, talk.
Well, we have a report of a black male with a dangerous weapon.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the weapon right now.
Well, I don't have a dangerous weapon.
I'm looking at a weapon. It's in your hand. What are you doing with that?
Sir, this is my walking stick.
Your walking stick?
Yes, I'm blind. I can't see.
You're looking right at me.
I can hear your voice, but I can't see you.
So you're telling me you're blind and then you use that device to find your way around? I'm not buying it.
Yeah, that's what it is, yep.
Sir, that is a weapon, and you can't be in possession of it.
Well, it's not a weapon.
What other weapons do you have on you?
I don't have any weapons.
No weapons at all?
Not at all.
So you're just sitting here randomly, no reason at all, carrying a weapon?
Bro, I'm just waiting on my bus.
This isn't a bus stop. We've already discussed that. No bus is coming here.
I come here every day.
Well, you're in the wrong spot. So your story's not adding up. Now, I would like to know what you're really up to.
Like I said to you, you're stressing me out right now. I'm just waiting on my bus.
You look very suspicious, and your behavior is very questionable right now. So I'm going to ask you again, why are you here, and what are you doing?
Bro, I'm just waiting on my bus.
This isn't a bus stop. We've already discussed that. So you're going to have to come up with a better story than that. I don't appreciate being lied to. I'm an officer of the law. Do you understand that?
Well, officer, I'm just waiting on the bus. I got no weapons on me.
You didn't answer my question. Do you understand that I'm an officer of the law? I'm in charge here. I am the law.
I understand that, officer.
Can you repeat that? Who's the law?
You are the law.
I'm the law, not you. So where's the weapon?
I have no weapon.
It's in your hand. I'm looking at it.
That's my
What do you
walking
intend
stick.
to do with that weapon? I'm not buying this whole blind thing. You're looking right at me.
Officer, I'm just letting you know this is a walking stick.
We gonna go
It's
get some
not
narcotics? You gonna go rob some people?
No, bro, I'm just chilling.
Steal some stuff from the mall?
Not at all. I'm just trying to wait for my bus. You're the one that's
Damage some vehicles? Pick on little children?
Man, I can't believe this happening, bro. Like, why are you stressing me like this? You don't even know me.
Because you look suspicious. And we got a call about you. And I don't appreciate the attitude. I have every right to be doing this because why? Why? Say it. Who's the law?
You're the law.
I'm the law.
What you doing what's wrong, bro.
There's nothing wrong about me questioning you, sitting here looking suspicious, claiming to be at a bus stop when you're clearly not at a bus stop, holding a weapon and claiming to be blind.
Dog, I don't even know if you're an officer. Number one, I can't see you. Number two, and number three, you stressing me out.
You just said that I'm the law. Now you're lying.
Well, I said it because you said that you're an officer.
Because you can clearly see that I'm an officer.
I can't see that. It's from what you're telling me.
You just admitted that I'm the law.
Bro,
You said it.
Bro,
The words came right out of your mouth. I said, who's the law? You said, I'm the law. So that's very clear that you can see.
Bro, why the hell are you stressing me out? I didn't do anything
Why are you doing suspicious activities? Why are you about to commit a crime?
I'm not committing a crime.
I'm just here to stop you from something bad that's about to happen. I can clearly tell you're up to no good.
Bro, stop stressing me, man. Stop stressing me, bro.
You got Air Jordans on. That's the first telltale sign. That means you're up to no good. Air Jordans.
That don't mean nothing,
Did you
bro.
buy those shoes or you steal them from someone?
Yeah,
They look a little big for your feet.
Bro, I bought them. My shoes is size 12 and they fit me just fine, bro.
Not buying it.
Bro, just step, man. Get away from me, man. You stressing me out.
I'm not going anywhere till you admit to what you're doing.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm just waiting.
Who were you going to rob? What were you going to steal? Who are you going to harm with the weapon?
Bro, I'm not harming anybody. You're the one that's starting the problems here. I'm just minding my business, waiting for my bus, and you're starting the
Maybe you're waiting for some more friends to gang up on somebody and rob them, steal their stuff, hit them in the head with this weapon that you're carrying.
Man, just step, man. Leave me alone, bro.
I'm not going anywhere until you tell me what you're doing.
Man, just stop, bro. Stop. I ain't doing
Yeah,
nothing
I'm here to stop a crime from happening. Clearly, you're about to commit one.
Bro, you wrong.
Dressed like a hooligan, acting like a hooligan, claiming to be blind. When you clearly saw I was an officer, you said I'm the law, which means you could see my uniform.
Bro, can you just get away from me?
As soon as you tell me what you're up to, I will.
Bro, just step away from me, get away from me.
I'm doing my job. I got a report of a suspicious man harboring a weapon.
Yeah, but...
And I'm talking to him right now.
Well,
here he is.
I haven't done anything wrong. You got no proof. I got no weapons on me.
You're right. Now you don't have a weapon.
What you doing,
and you know what? I'm not buying this whole blind thing.
Hey, what you doing?
These are mine. Confiscated by the law. I don't have enough evidence to take you in, but I am confiscating this weapon and these glasses.
I need my staff, bro.
So whatever you were gonna do, don't even think about doing it. And I'm taking your weapon so you can't use it.
Bro, what the hell?